Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Tuition channel. Today we are discussing about LKG Maths question paper. First, write 1 to 100. Child have to write 1 to 100 numbers. Next question is, write number names. 15, 30, 20, 9, 7, 6, 28, 12, 14, 19. Next, write missing number. 5 dash dash 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Dash 2, 3 dash dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 dash dash 17 dash 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 29 dash 31 dash dash 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 49 dash 51, 52 dash 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Next, draw the picture for the given. Here number is given. Child have to draw the picture. Here number is 7. 7 picture is have to draw. 7, 5, 8, 2, 10. Next, write table of 3 ones and 4 ones. Here 3 ones and 4 ones. Next, write skip counting of 10 and 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Draw the picture for given number. 9, 11, 4, 5, 6. Next mean is write backward counting. 20 to 1. 20, 19, 18, 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next question is, add the below given number. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 6 plus 0, 6. Subtract below given number. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 1, answer is 1. Next is oral category. Child have to recognize these numbers. 45, 22, 6, 100, 99, 31, 13, 14, 72, 40, 70, 71. Sixty-four, 90, 81, 59, 54, 17, 95, 60. Next, oral. Child have to tell the tables. Tables of 2 ones are 2 and 5 ones are 5. Names of the week. Child have to tell the names of the week. Next, shapes recognition. Square, triangle, rectangle, semicircle and circle. Drawing ships. Thank you for watching.